Today I am reviewing the Z-Edge 24.5-inch gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Right out of the gate, the headline feature here is that 300 Hz refresh rate. It is a bold number, and it places this monitor firmly in the category of specialized gear for people who spend a lot of time in fast-paced shooters or Twitch-heavy esports titles. Now, before you get excited about that 300 Hz figure, it is important to clarify that you only get that performance through the DisplayPort connections. If you're planning on plugging in a console or using the HDMI ports, you're going to be capped at 240 Hz, which is still quite fast, but definitely something to keep in mind if you are splitting your time between a gaming rig and a console. At 24.5 inches, this monitor sits at what many competitive players consider the sweet spot for a 1080p resolution. Because the pixel density is packed into a smaller frame, the image remains sharp enough for gaming, and you don't have the same issues with pixel stretching that you might see on larger 1080p monitors. The IPS panel is another big win here. A few years ago, you had to choose between the speed of a TN panel and the color quality of an IPS, but those days are largely behind us. With the UG25S, you get those wide 178-degree viewing angles and the color accuracy that an IPS panel typically provides, which makes the screen look a lot better even when you are not sitting perfectly centered. When you actually start playing, the difference between a standard 60 Hz or even a 144 Hz screen and a 300 Hz monitor is something that your eyes pick up on almost immediately. Tracking targets feels much more fluid, and the motion clarity is noticeably sharper during rapid camera pans. This is where the 1 millisecond MPRT response time comes into play, helping to keep ghosting and blur to a minimum. It is not going to turn a mediocre player into a pro, but it does remove some of the visual friction that can make it harder to track fast-moving enemies in titles like Valorant or Counter-Strike. However, there is a reality check that comes with buying a high-refresh monitor like this. To actually benefit from that 300 Hz ceiling, your gaming PC needs to be capable of outputting 300 frames per second consistently. If you are running an older graphics card or playing demanding, unoptimized games where your frame rate fluctuates heavily, you are not going to get the full benefit of that hardware. It is a fantastic tool for the right rig, but if your system is struggling to hit even 144 frames, you might find that other upgrades, like a better GPU or a higher resolution panel, would have been a wiser investment for your specific setup. The physical design of the Z-Edge UG25S leans into that modern gaming aesthetic. It uses a three-sided borderless frame, which looks clean and is a major plus if you are running a multi-monitor setup, as the seams between the screens feel a bit less intrusive. It is a fairly sleek package, and it doesn't try to overdo it with aggressive gamer styling, which I personally appreciate. It fits just as well on a clean, professional workspace as it does in a dedicated gaming room. One aspect that often gets overlooked is the ergonomics. The monitor does support VESA mounting, which is something you should definitely consider if you want to save space on your desk. The included stand is functional, but it is somewhat limited compared to the premium, fully adjustable arms you see on high-end professional monitors. If you find that the default height or tilt just does not work for your posture, you might eventually want to move it to a dedicated monitor arm. That is a common trade-off with monitors in this price bracket, as manufacturers usually prioritize the panel quality and refresh rate over the mechanical complexity of a stand. The color performance is solid for a gaming-focused display. You get 16.7 million colors, and for the vast majority of gaming scenarios, it looks vibrant and punchy. It handles contrast well enough to make dark corners in games look decent, though you shouldn't expect the deep, inky blacks you would get from a much more expensive OLED monitor. For general content consumption, like watching videos or browsing the web, the colors are more than sufficient. The flicker-free and low blue light modes are nice additions for those marathon sessions where your eyes might start to feel the strain after a few hours, though again, these are features that have become fairly standard across the board. Connectivity is another area where the UG25S tries to be as flexible as possible. Having two DisplayPort 1.4 inputs and two HDMI 2.0 ports gives you plenty of room to keep multiple systems connected. It is nice to be able to jump from your main gaming PC to a console or a secondary device without needing to reach around the back and swap cables. The menu interface for adjusting your settings is straightforward, and the OSD is responsive enough that you won't feel like you're fighting the monitor just to tweak your brightness or color settings. Ubui Nepal. Who is this monitor actually for? If you are a competitive gamer who plays titles where every millisecond counts and you have the hardware to drive high frame rates, this is a very compelling piece of kit. It delivers that high-speed, low-latency experience that can genuinely make a difference in how responsive your game feels. On the flip side, if you're a casual player who mostly sticks to single-player, graphically intense titles that are capped at 60 frames per second, you might be better off putting your money toward a monitor with a higher resolution like 1440p, which would give you more detail and screen real estate rather than just pure speed. There are some minor criticisms to keep in mind. As mentioned, the stand is basic and lacks the robust height and swivel adjustments that many users eventually look for. While the picture quality is great for the price, the calibration out of the box can sometimes feel a little bit off, so you might want to spend 5 or 10 minutes tweaking the settings to get the colors exactly where you like them. Also, while the borderless design looks good, you're still going to have a small physical frame around the edges of the panel, so it is not truly edge-to-edge in the way some people might hope. When you look at the landscape of gaming monitors, it is very easy to get lost in the jargon and the big numbers. The Z-Edge UG25S is very honest about what it is: a fast, capable monitor meant for people who want high refresh rates without having to spend a fortune. It doesn't pretend to be an HDR masterpiece, and it doesn't offer a high-resolution 4K experience. Instead, it focuses on the core pillars of a good competitive gaming experience: smooth motion, sharp pixel density at 1080p, and a reliable, responsive panel. If you are coming from a standard office monitor or a basic 60Hz display, the jump to 300Hz is going to feel like a massive upgrade. The smoothness of your mouse cursor across the desktop alone is a noticeable change, and in-game, it feels like the barrier between your input and the action on the screen is shrinking. It provides a tactile, immediate sense of speed that makes your entire gaming experience feel more connected. However, you should always balance these specs against your own needs. Buying a 300Hz monitor for a machine that can't provide the frames to support it is a bit like buying a race car and only driving it in a parking lot. If you're currently building out your PC, make sure your CPU and GPU are ready to push the frames that this monitor needs to shine. If you are there, though, the UG25S provides an accessible way to step into that top tier of refresh rates. The setup process is relatively painless. You get the cables you need in the box, and if you have a VESA arm ready to go, the installation is quick. The build quality is decent for a plastic-cased monitor. It doesn't feel like a tank, but it is perfectly acceptable for something that is going to sit on your desk and stay there. The buttons on the underside are easy to locate, and the menu structure doesn't take long to learn. It is a plug-and-play device in the truest sense. When you are weighing whether to pick this up, think about your primary usage. Is your goal to rank up in competitive shooters? Do you play games where tracking movement is the difference between a win and a loss? If the answer is yes, then the performance characteristics of this display are definitely worth the consideration. If you find yourself gravitating toward atmospheric, slow-paced RPGs or open-world games with heavy lighting effects, you might find yourself wishing you had a higher resolution panel instead of the raw speed offered here. It is also worth noting that the market for these monitors is incredibly crowded. There are many brands out there offering similar specifications, so the final choice often comes down to individual preferences for design, brand support, or specific port layouts. The Z-Edge version here manages to stay relevant by keeping the price point accessible and focusing on the core experience of the panel itself rather than burying the price under a bunch of marketing gimmicks. Looking at the overall value, you are getting exactly what you are paying for. You aren't paying for a premium brand name that inflates the cost, and you aren't paying for features you might not use. You are paying for a high-refresh, low-latency IPS panel that performs where it matters most for gamers. It is a pragmatic choice. If you have had negative experiences with budget monitors in the past, it is natural to be skeptical, but this model stands up well to general expectations for this tier of hardware. It is worth noting the audio situation, as is common with many monitors in this class. While it might have basic audio output, do not expect it to replace a decent set of desktop speakers or a quality gaming headset. Most people who pick up a high-performance monitor like this are going to be using their own dedicated audio setup anyway, so don't let the mediocre built-in speakers be a deal-breaker. Ultimately, the Z-Edge UG25S is a specialized piece of equipment. It is very good at the one thing it is designed to do, providing a smooth, fast, and clear window into your games. If that is your priority, it performs its role without much fuss. It is a reliable option for anyone looking to make that jump into high-refresh gaming, provided you have the rest of your rig tuned to take advantage of the speed. It won't change the way you game, but it might just make the experience a little bit smoother and a little more enjoyable, which is really what most of us are looking for when we upgrade our hardware. Take a look at those links below if you're interested in diving deeper into the specs or seeing if it fits your budget, and consider how this specific size and refresh rate match up with the games you spend the most time playing. Everyone has different priorities for their desk setup, so just make sure that when you look at these features, you are seeing them through the lens of your own habits and your own PC's capabilities. It's an honest, no-nonsense display that does exactly what the box says it does, and in a market filled with overpromised hardware, that alone is worth a fair amount of credit. Whether it is the right monitor for you is down to whether you are chasing that competitive edge, or if you'd rather prioritize visual fidelity over raw, blistering speed. Either way, knowing exactly what you are getting is the best way to make a smart purchase.